Hey everyone, it's been a while since we last talked about SOFA. Let's dive in today, especially after the recent major update. The biggest change post-update is the incredibly fast weekly burn of RCH. We've seen a sharp increase. The burn rate has essentially doubled from week 6 to 7, thanks to the leverage products of STETH and the growth in USTC products. Leverage growth is leading the pack right now. Just to give you a quick overview, leverage is booming, and the other two are still in what we might call the digging phase. Let's look at the daily progress of STETH. The first day was probably testing, but by the second and third days, we saw inflows of over 100 ETHs each, and by the 28th, another 100 ETHs were locked in, nearing a total of 400 to 500 now. We're seeing about 400 in there now, and there's been a uniform growth in USDT and USDC earnings, though it's slowing a bit. This has led many to ask why the TVL is dropping. But let's not just focus on TVL, since the core is the fee rate, the money collected, and how much can be converted back through buybacks. While the growth in earnings has slowed, leverage and surge are accelerating, making the buyback rate super fast. Currently, RCH burns about tens of thousands daily, including what market makers lock in. My Dune isn't very up to date, it's 15 hours behind. If you have an account, you can search for sofa.org on this dashboard to refresh it yourself. Focusing on STETH, it's growing steadily, albeit slowly, which might lead to more promotions and speed-ups by the officials. It's a rare large-scale project that significantly boosts STETH revenue. Stable growth is also visible in our USDT, while our USDT is slower, picking up initially but continuing steadily afterward. I reckon there might be some PR and events soon to boost this segment, which would rapidly increase both TVL and fee collections. The total increment in STETH is also stable, with about 460 locked in net, not counting outflows. So, that's the current state of RCH. As of today, the 30th, after the last burn on the 26th, we might see another burn anytime today or tomorrow, following the official schedule of 2 to 3 burns a week. Besides the basic burns, there are RCH fees that aren't through buybacks but are. This is what we see now: a daily ranking where one big player bought 1.63 million in a day, and another could buy over 10,000 RCH daily, which is massive. However, with the overall IV dropping from 6 to 5 yesterday, if you're really looking to play range-bound, I wouldn't recommend going to heavy, unlike the past few days. If IV continues like this, consider trying spreads, like going long or short, or buying deep out of the money, which might work better. Also, the coin price isn't too bad. Despite the market's fluctuations yesterday, RCH remained stable. Thanks to these buybacks, we can see that the current price is between the two previous buyback points, at a robust node that could easily push up to around 8,990. Similarly, on the coin called DEX, since trading is possible there, many might choose to trade there. With 1.8 million RCH already locked up there, and continuous buybacks happening, the overall market selling pressure has visibly decreased. I guess the market will still be washing out for a while, but it's already quite clean. So, if you have a dollar cost averaging plan, this might be a good point to start. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.